Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. If you're my returning subscribers, thank you for watching my videos. Today, I'll be making some eggs, sauce. For this recipe, you will need eggs, milk cubes, salt, oil, onions, tomato and pepper blend. And you also need some thyme. Let's get on. If you're having this with some boiled jam, you can have this with other things too though. And over medium to low heat, add some oil. And saute your onions. Once it's translucent, they're ready. Once they're translucent, I'll add my peppers and tomato blend and thyme. Add my tomato and pepper blend. I'll season my sauce with some milk cube and thyme. Now I'll give that a stir. I'm going to let this cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Whilst that's cooking, I'm going to salt my eggs. I'm going to whisk the eggs. And the tomato sauce looks like it's ready. So now it's time to add my beaten eggs. Now I'm going to stir it gently. gonna look delicious. It's now ready to serve my boiled jam. We now come to the end of the video. Can you like, share, comment, and subscribe to something like this? Thanks for watching. Bye guys.